Are you a leader, coach, or improvement-oriented individual contributor who wants more and are willing to acquire the best tools in the world to get it? Hi, I'm Christopher Avery, founder and CEO of The Responsibility Company and master teacher for The Responsibility Process. I work for the smartest, busiest, most caring professionals on the planet to help them master responsibility and master their lives. I have the honor of serving a worldwide community dedicated to teaching people exactly how to lead themselves and others to optimal levels of freedom, power, and choice. This is the most important information I know and have to share, and putting it to use in your life may be the single most important thing you can do to succeed as a leader of yourself and others in life and at work. You will learn and apply leadership and coaching tools that we use in our own responsibility immersion and mastery programs. In this one-day deep dive into the mental science of the responsibility process, you and I will explore and learn together in an intimate setting. The day will be highly interactive with lots of hands-on activities in groups of 2, 3, and 4. You will work directly with the responsibility process and the keys to responsibility to better understand yourself, your work, and your relationships. You will be able to evaluate and choose the tools to support your success in practicing and teaching ownership behavior. Create a culture where team members practice responsibility at championship levels and lead themselves to get stuff done without drama or finger pointing. And we will also reserve time to address your important topics and interests that intersect with this content. This workshop is popular with ambitious, busy high performers, formal and informal leaders, coaches, agile practitioners in any role, and remote team leaders and members. And teams that attend together leave with a new shared language for highly effective self-organizing, leadership, teamwork, change, and performance. Check out our group discounts. You're worth it. If you're ready to grow with the most powerful tools on the planet for success in life and work, know exactly how to apply the tools to take 100% responsibility for your life, work, and relationships, and get hands-on practice with proven methods for getting yourself and your team members unstuck and moving forward, then join us for the Responsibility Process Leading and Coaching Workshop and lead yourself first.